Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play NxB NV. First, familiarize yourself with the game's core loop, attacking enemy fortresses and defending your own. The main menu offers several modes like Attack Mission, Special Mission, and Story Mode. Completing the initial tutorial is crucial. It teaches you how to move, use jutsu, and deploy traps. Your goal is to build a strong team of 4 ninja and enhance their abilities to conquer challenges and protect your base. When engaging in combat, you control 1 ninja while 3 others follow automatically. Tap to move, swipe to dodge, and use the on-screen buttons for basic attacks and powerful jutsu. Each ninja has a unique set of jutsu, including ultimate jutsu, which can turn the tide of battle. In attack missions, your primary goal is to reach and destroy the shinobi statue within a 3-minute time limit. Remember to also fortify your own base with traps and strong defenders. Managing your ninja is key to success. Level up your characters using experience points and equip them with ability cards to boost their stats. You can acquire new jutsu and powerful ultimate jutsu through the summoning system, often requiring shinobite. For your fortress, upgrade facilities like the Shinobi Academy and material storage to gain more resources. A well-designed fortress with a variety of traps and strong defenders can deter even the most skilled attackers, protecting your hard-earned rank. For advanced play, focus on team synergy. A balanced team might include a main attacker, a support ninja, and 2 strong defenders. Joining a guild offers many benefits, including exclusive missions and rewards, fostering a sense of community. It's wise to save your shinobite for banners that guarantee an ultimate jutsu for your favorite characters, rather than spending it on every summon. Always participate in limited-time event missions. They are excellent sources for rare materials and character fragments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.